Hello everyone, I'm Maklad and today I'm going to introduce you to one of the world's most powerful B2B platforms, MadeInChina.com. If you are planning to start a business, find reliable suppliers or source unique and innovative products, this video will show you everything you need. In this video, I will cover what MadeInChina.com is, how the platform works, its biggest advantages, how to use it step by step, and how the security trading service SDS protects your money and orders. You can check out the website here. Let's begin. MadeInChina.com is the world's leading B2B platform that connects tens of millions of global buyers with millions of audited suppliers in China. The platform offers a massive range of products, thousands of categories, powerful search tools, verified suppliers, real-time communication, and professional sourcing services. Whether you are a small business owner or a large company, the platform gives you access to the latest products, trends, and manufacturing capabilities all in one place. One of the strongest parts of Made in China is its powerful search engine and huge product database. You can find nearly anything you need, including electronics, machinery, tools, textiles, consumer goods, gadgets, customized products, and industrial equipment. Just type your product name into the search bar, and the system instantly shows you accurate categories, supplier options, price range, and minimum order quantities. Now let's talk about the most important feature, STS, Security Trading Service. This service protects you throughout the entire sourcing and buying process. One guarantees security for payments. Your payment is held safely until you confirm the order. You can track the shipment from start to finish. This element is most common buying risks. One-on-one order assistance. A dedicated service representative follows your order step by step. Instant messaging allows fast communication. You receive updates throughout the process and have a big feature, a refund guarantee. Clear refund policies, fast processing in case of any issues, customer-friendly support. Thanks to SDS, MadeInChina.com becomes a simple, transparent, and secure place to do business. Let's go through how to use the platform step by step. First step, visit the website madeinchina.com. Second, search for a product. Simple, enter the name of the product you want. Example, smartwatch, LED lights, phone, technology, power tools, fabric, packing machines, and more. Step use filters. Filters help you narrow down your supplier list by price, minimum order quantity, supply audit status, certifications, available payment methods. And another setup, contact the supplier. The platform offers instant messaging, so you can chat directly with the supplier inside the website. All communication is saved safely in one place. And another step, place order using SDS. When you decide to purchase, use security trading service for safe and protected payments. And last step, track your shipment. After the supplier ships your order, you can track every step through the platform's real-time tracking system and have business advantages. Using MadeInChina.com brings many benefits. You can start or grow your business quickly. You get access to affordable and high-quality products. You communicate directly with manufacturers, no middleman. Payments and orders are secure thanks to SDS. Customer service guides you during the process, perfect for dropshipping, retail, and wholesale. You discover trading products early and ahead of competitors. You can follow madeinchina.com on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. If you want to expand your business, find reliable suppliers or discover new opportunities, madeinchina.com is the perfect platform. I explored the system myself. The product range, supplier options, simplicity, and secure trading features really impressed me. Start your journey today by clicking the link below, madeinchina.com. Thank you for watching. I am Matlab. See you in the next video.